Good morning everybody, it is day 3 of lockdown version 2. As promised, I'm giving driving test and driving lesson advice. For those of you practicing at home, please practice at home only making essential journeys. Don't go out for 3 hours on end practicing bay parking. Okay, great, so we're going to start quickly. So we're talking today about normal driving position. One of the most common reasons for failing a test in the United Kingdom is very simple. We drive on the left. If you've got a choice, drive on the left. If it's a single carriageway, you should keep well to the left, roughly about a metre from the curb. On a dual carriageway, on a motorway, on a one-way street, keep to the left. If you're overtaking or turning right, you may use the right-hand lane, but when you're finished, choose the left. And that's it. Keep to the normal driving position on the left at all times. If you end up in the right-hand lane by mistake, that's fine. Move back to the left. I'm going to keep reiterating that. As long as you do it safely, that's fine. See, a lot of people, somehow end up at the Robin Hood roundabout, for example, going straight on. They end up in the right-hand lane, going out all the way to Sainsbury's, across Burger King, up the link. Meanwhile, 40 people have undertaken them on the left. They don't seem to worry about that. Undertaking's dangerous, so you should keep on the left at all times, whenever possible. That's it. Today I'm walking 22 kilometres to mimic my friend Joe, Old Boys Training, who's doing 365 days of action, walking 8,000 kilometres, which equates to 22 kilometres per day. I'm doing that for the whole of lockdown. Please check out the link below to see where to donate, and I will be with you tomorrow. Have a good day.